Hi, boys and girls. It's time to use your eyes, your ears, and your brain. And we're going to get focused on one object. And an object is one item that is in your home. We use our attentoscopes to look carefully at details. And we just pay attention to that object. And then when we think we're ready, we're going to grab a piece of paper. We're going to grab um, either I would suggest a pencil because you might want to do some erasing and an object. Okay, so you look. I've already been working on mine, and the object that I chose to focus on is our bell. And if you are at Willow Lane, you might hear this at recess time, and that will remind you that it's time to line up. So what I did is I chose first the object that I wanted to focus on, and I chose the bell. The next thing I did is I looked at the bell and I drew what I saw. I took my time, I didn't hurry. I saw shapes in the bell like trapezoids. I saw a trapezoid at the bottom of the bell, and I found another trapezoid where the handle and the bell come together. And then I noticed these really pretty smooth lines for the handle. And at the top, I noticed there was like a ball. The next thing I noticed is I drew that object and then I put some color in the bottom of the bell. I haven't finished coloring my bell. What I need next is to color my bell. It's a golden bell. So I'm going to finish this up with you. So, whoops, there's the handle, the top of the bell, and here's the handle. Taking my time, coming in here now. This is where the handle and the bell come together. And at the very bottom is just another part of gold. That completes my bell. And I guess if I wanted to color the green a little bit darker, I could in some spots because I noticed it's not all the same shade of green. Some parts are a little bit lighter and darker. You're going to be doing that kind of noticing. You're going to be noticing the lines that you see, the shapes of the object, how big it is, how big the parts of that object are. And you might want to start with something that's really pretty simple. Again, going back to that idea that the simpler, the better. Okay. Um, Remember, this is an exercise in focusing our attention and using our eyes and our ears and our brain and then putting it together. And when we're all done, we can hang it up in our room and remember that this is the object that we focused on. Good luck focusing and drawing, and have a great day. Bye, everybody.